Hello friends and welcome back to the session. As we were discussing about our standard 8 NCERT textbook in which we were discussing about our lesson number 6 square and square root. Here you might be familiar with this. Last time we discussed and remember many points which were very important to us. Now here today we will proceed about the properties which are related to it, square and square root, and the squares of 11 to 20, and how to find the square of the given numbers. 1 to 100 तो सीख लेते हैं. Okay, so lesson 6 squares and square roots. Here square root and squares. So 1 to 10 already we have done. Now we are going for 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, 14 square, 15 square. Same way, 11 into 11, that is 121. 12 square is 144. So 13 square 169. एक और चीज देखने जैसी है. Point out the thing. Unit digit of square root 1. Last digit of the square is also 1. 2, 4, 3, 9. Clear? Now 4 तो क्या आ जाएगा? 196. Then square root of 15 square. This is 14 square. Then 15 square. 15 is 225. Last digit. Okay? Now 16. 16 तो last digit क्या आना चाहिए? 6 is 36. So here also 6. So 256. Am I right? So 17 square. तो 7 sevens are 49. Last digit 3 और 7 square root है तो square का आ जाएगा 9. Okay? So 7 sevens are 49. तो यहाँ पर 9 आना चाहिए. 289. 18 square. So 8 8s are 64. 64 means last digit 4 and 324. 19 square. 9 9s are 81. 1 आना चाहिए. 361. All the cases you will find what we are सारे square में. Okay? Now 1 to 20 तो आ गया. अब बाकी रहा 0 वाले. Square root and square. So 10, 20, 30, 40 square, 50 square, 60 square, 70 square, 80 square and 90 square. 100 square. Clear? So 1 1 जा 1 और हर 0 का डबल 0 100. 2 2 जा 4 डबल 0. 3 3 जा 9 डबल 0. For 1 already we have learned in the remember. So for one single 0 we have to write twice two single 0, 2 0, sorry, single 0 नहीं 2 zeros for one single 0 in the square root. If it is given one single 0, we have to write 2 zeros for square. 4 4 is 16 and double 0. 5 5 is 25 and double 0. 6 6 is 36 and double 0. 7 7 is 49 and double 0. 8 8 is 64 and double 0. 9 9 is 81 and double 0. 10 10 is 100 and double 0. Means 10,000. Sir, 100 to मतलब 1 से 100 का स्क्वायर निकालने में 1 to 20 और ये वाले 10 भी आ गए। 30 नंबर्स तो काफ़ी, ऑलमोस्ट 30 नंबर्स वी हैव नो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर इजीली, 2 डिजिट नंबर्स। और सीखते हैं, लेट अस लर्न हाउ टू फाइंड द स्क्वायर ऑफ पर्टिकुलर नंबर्स हैविंग यूनिट डिजिट 5। Unit digit 5. So shall I erase this one and proceed further? Now last digit 5. So 5 square, 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, 45 square, 55 square, 65 square, 75 square, 85 square and 95 square. So till 5 to 15 2 digits आ जाते हैं। 105 हो जाएगा तो 3 digit number में चला जाएगा। That is also easy. Same method applies over here for the 3 digit number, but हम 2 digit number for our standard 8 तक जाते हैं। शुरुआत सीधा नहीं दौड़ना चाहिए। Now here 5 5s are 25. So last digit here 5, always last 2 digit will be 2 and 5. याद रख लो। Now here 15 square means ये 15 के लिए we are writing 25, and for this one we will do 1 and the next number कौन सा आता है? Next succeeding number 1 के बाद 2. So 1 2 जा 2 and this 25, the combination 25. Here 225. Suppose 25 square. So for this 5, I will write 25, and for this 2 into 3. Next number is 2 into 3. Okay? So 2 into 3 is 6, and this 25. So I will get 625. Similarly, orally you can do 5 25. अब here 35 है तो 3 4 जा, next number is 3 के बाद next number is succeeding number is 4, 3 4 जा 12. Now 45 square तो 4 5 जा 20 and 25. तो 55 square तो 5 5 जा 20, 5 6 जा 30 and 25. 65 square तो 6 के बाद कौन सा था 7, तो 6 7 जा 42 and 25. 7 के बाद next number is 88, so 7 8 जा 56 and 25. 8 9 जा 72 and 25. And 9 के बाद कौन सा था 10, 9 10 जा 90, so 90 and 25. So likewise we can get the squares of the numbers having 5 at its unit place. Very easy for us to remember. Clear? This is the technique which is used when unit digit is given. 5 के लिए 25 हर एक के लिए, और जो नंबर है प्रीवियस नंबर उसका नेक्स्ट सक्सीडिंग नंबर का प्रोडक्ट, the product of the number and its succeeding number will give us the square for unit digit having 5. Now how to find the square of many other numbers? देखो कितने सारे सीख लिए। 100 में से समझो 40 एक तो निकल गए, अब 60 गए, उस पर वर्कआउट कर देते हैं। ठीक है? So let me erase this and proceed further. Now you will see, children, there are different ways to find out the square of the given number, and there are some easiest way and shortcut methods are also there which you can learn from your Vedic maths also. Vedic maths, ancient times our saints are utilizing this method, they were utilizing this method, Vedic maths. It's one of the best and finest techniques to do the calculation very fast and in the easiest way. In the modern, we have started with different things as per the trade. Now, you know that we can proceed with these things. Yeah? Now, finding squares of two-digit numbers. So, how to find that? We will learn. Suppose the given number is example. So पहले method बता देता हूँ. There are two different methods, but मैं एक method से जाता हूँ. जैसे कि 23 whole square. 23 whole square. So I think that is 23 as A, 2 as A, and this 3 as B whole square. Then 3 steps. Step 1, product of B multiplied by B. This one. Step 2, product of A multiplied by B multiplied by 2 plus carry. The carry over यहाँ से जो मिला है वो. And step 3, same, product of A into A plus carry, and you will get a good answer. Remember this? सबसे पहले अब इसका कोशिश करते हैं. पहले मेथड के साथ और फिर ओरली आ जाएगा आपको. यू विल लर्न वेरी इजीली एंड ओरली यू आर एबल टू कैलकुलेट द स्क्वायर्स ऑफ 1 to 100 तो आप आराम से कर लेंगे, मुंह पे हो जाएगा फटाफट. हाँ, इन द बिगिनिंग इट टेक्स टाइम एंड मोर प्रैक्टिस रिक्वायर्ड, बट स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली यू कैन डू वेरी इजीली. नाउ these are the different steps. Okay, first step, suppose here 3 3s are. First step, चलो हम लोग इधर से ही करते हैं. So product of B is 3, तो 3 3s are मतलब 9, तो मैंने 9 लिख दिया. कैरी कुछ नहीं है, ठीक है. Then they what they have told, A into B into 2 means A into B into 2, तीनों को मल्टीप्लाई. 2 3 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12. So 12 आया तो 2 plus 1 carry for the third step. Okay. Now what they have said, third step, A into A means 2 2s are 4 plus 1. It will be 5. So 529. 529 is the square of 23. Damn sure. इसको step by step और भी कर सकते हैं. Let us do it and enjoy it. Suppose if you want to take another unknown number. Suppose 47 square. So first step, last digit का square means B into B. That is 7 into 7. That क्या मिलेगा? 49. So I will take 9 over here and this plus 4 carry. Now second step, to A into B into 2. So क्या हो जाएगा? A into B into 2 plus carry है. So इधर का carry तो क्या था? 4 and A is 4 multiplied by 7 into 2. 4 7 are 28. 28 multiplied by 2 कितना हो जाएगा भाई? 56 plus 4 कितना बन जाएगा? 60. तो ये 0 इधर और ये 6 है, कैरी बन जाएगा. जैसे ये वाला इधर कैरी. फॉर द स्टेप 3. स्टेप 3 में क्या था? A into A plus carry. So carry was 6. A into A is 4 into 4. 4 4 is 16 plus 6. कितना मिल जाएगा 16 plus 6 22. Hope so. Clear to everyone? If you repeat it and just do it by your own, definitely you will get how to do this and get the square of the given number, at least of all 2-digit numbers. Hope so, this much clear to you. See you in the next session. God bless you all. See you.